In this video, I'm going to be showing you Gorilla, which is a new large language model that is specifically developed to be able to integrate and be used with APIs. So if I just demonstrate the CLI distribution that they have here, and I just say, Gorilla, make me a new EC2 instance. So if you're not familiar, EC2 is a server in the cloud on AWS, and what it will do is it will return me a list of different commands that I can just go ahead and click enter and run, and I'd be able to create that EC2 instance in the cloud simply like that. Now there's a handful of other different novel things that you can do with this. If I say, Gorilla, make me a text file with hello world 100 times in it. Obviously a little bit of a silly example, but just to sort of get you thinking about that this isn't necessarily limited to, spinning up cloud infrastructure or just connecting to an arbitrary API. It could potentially create things that could be useful with actually interacting with your system. So if let's just ls this, and we see a couple files from when I was testing this before, and if I just say open hello world, we see there's my hello world. So just created that command, and there we have it. And what if I say, okay, Gorilla, replace every other hello world in my hello world text file with YouTube. So I haven't tried this example. I'm just doing this one on the fly, and let's just see if it can or will do it. Okay, so now let's open. And now you see there's hello world, there's YouTube, right? So just taking in that natural language and being able to give you the proper CLI command for what you want to do, it's pretty interesting, right? So I can only imagine the things that are going to be developed on this, because the thing with Gorilla is it does give you a commercially available license where you can use without any obligation. So I can only imagine that it's just a matter of time before we see a lot of web interfaces or new apps or projects or companies even that are going to be using this and leveraging this to be able to create some, novel ways to, develop software or spin up particular things that are going to be pretty interesting. So I encourage you to take a look, do a Google for the Gorilla LLM. I'll include the links in the description of this video. Also, you can find it on GitHub, and then you can also find the Gorilla CLI within its own repo to install it. It's very simple. You just pip install Gorilla CLI, and then as you saw here, within any directory that you'd like to run the command, you can go ahead and then Gorilla followed by the natural language prompt. So I just wanted to keep this quick. I more just wanted to surface this to your attention if this is something that you're interested in. And as always, if you found this video useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And otherwise, until the next one.